I know that as women we want to feel desired and wanted by men, but did you know that there are some things that men really want from a woman? If you can give it to them, they will stay with you forever. So in today's video, I am going to share with you what these things are and how you can easily implement them into your life so that the man in your life feels deeply satisfied with you. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Now let me tell you something. There is no one thing that all men want. However, when it comes to dating, there are certain things that most men want. And I would like to reveal those 7 things to you right now. So before we begin, I need you to do me a quick favor. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And let's just dive right in. No. 1. They want a woman who knows what she wants. Men are visual creatures. They want a woman who has a purpose in life, who knows what she wants, who is clear about her desires and her dreams. When you are a woman who knows what she wants, you exude confidence and self-assurance. You don't need a man to complete you or to make you happy. You already have a full and rich life of your own, and you simply want to share it with the man who is lucky enough to be by your side. Men love women who are secure in their own identity and who don't need anyone else to validate their worth. So work on discovering your passions, your values, and your goals. When you know what you want, it makes you irresistible to men. Note 2. They want a woman who is emotionally intelligent. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions while also being aware of the emotions of others. It is the ability to communicate effectively, to empathize, and to build strong relationships. Women who possess emotional intelligence are seen as more attractive and desirable by men because they are able to communicate their needs and feelings in a clear and effective manner. They are also able to understand the emotions of their partners and respond to them with empathy and compassion. Men want women who can be vulnerable and open with them, and who can also support and encourage them through tough times. This is because they, too, want to feel loved and valued. And they believe that a woman with emotional intelligence is more likely to provide them with the emotional support and understanding they need. No. 3. They want a woman who is a good listener. One of the most attractive qualities a woman can have is being a good listener. Men want to feel heard and understood, and they appreciate when someone takes the time to listen to them and to try to see things from their perspective. Being a good listener involves not only hearing what someone is saying, but also paying attention to their body language and tone of voice. It means asking follow-up questions and showing genuine interest in what the other person has to say. When a woman is a good listener, it creates a safe space for the man to open up and be vulnerable. And this is an incredibly attractive quality. No. 4. They want a woman who is affectionate. Men want to be close to the woman they love. They want to feel her affection and to know that they are cherished and valued. Physical touch is an important way for men to express and receive love. A simple hug or a kiss on the cheek can mean the world to him. Men also appreciate when their partner shows affection through words of affirmation or acts of service. When you make an effort to show your man how much you care, he will feel loved and appreciated. And this will make him want to be with you even more. So don't be afraid to show your man how much you care. Let him know how much you appreciate him and how much you love him. Your affection will be the most valuable gift you can give him. No. 5. They want a woman who is confident without being arrogant. There is a fine line between confidence and arrogance, and it is important to strike the right balance. Confidence is an attractive quality in a woman because it shows that she is secure in her own worth. It means that she believes in her abilities and that she is comfortable in her own skin. However, arrogance is a turn-off for men because it suggests that a woman is self-preoccupied and that she thinks she is better than others. To strike the right balance, focus on being your best self. Work on building your confidence through positive self-talk and affirmations. Believe in your abilities and don't be afraid to show the world what you can do. At the same time, remember to stay humble and grounded. Be respectful towards others and don't think that you are better than anyone else. When you are confident without being arrogant, you will be irresistible to men. No. 6. They want a woman who is independent. Men want a woman who is independent and self-sufficient. They want someone who can take care of themselves and who doesn't need them to make decisions for them. When a woman is independent, she is seen as strong and capable. She is someone who can hold her own in the world and who doesn't need a man to complete her. Of course, this doesn't mean that you have to do everything on your own. It simply means that you are able to make your own decisions and that you are responsible for your own actions. Men love women who are independent because they know that they can rely on them. They know that they can count on her to be there for them when they need her and that she won't let them down. So don't be afraid to be yourself. Be independent and self-sufficient, and the right man will love you for it. No. 7. They want a woman who is honest and trustworthy. Honesty and trust are essential for any relationship to thrive. Men want to be with a woman who is honest and trustworthy because they know that they can rely on her. They know that she will never betray their trust or lie to them. When a woman is honest and trustworthy, she creates a safe and loving environment for her partner. She is someone who can be relied upon to keep secrets and to be there for her partner through thick and thin. Men are attracted to women who are honest and trustworthy because they know that they can count on them. They know that they can trust her to be honest with them and to have their best interests at heart. So if you want to attract and keep the man of your dreams, be honest and trustworthy. Let him know that he can rely on you and that he can trust you with his heart. Remember, the key to attracting and keeping a man is to be yourself. Be the best version of yourself and don't be afraid to show the world what you have to offer. Men want a woman who is confident, independent and honest. So don't try to be someone else. Be the amazing woman that you are. And I have a question for you. What do you think men want most from a woman? Let me know in the comments below. And also please make sure to like this video and to share it with your friends and family. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.